Pull it out and see. Beautiful.
Nice.
Beautiful. Look at those roots. Look at those roots at the bottom there. Look at those roots. They're telling me that we're going to be getting a lot of yummy, yummy, yummy sweet potatoes. Okay, we start breaking it. See how nice this soil is breaking. There we go. I hate it when it has holes like this. I hate it when it has holes like this, but here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Here we go. Maybe let's just put them in here. Yeah. Look at that. Ooh, ooh. Look at that. Wow. See, this is what I was talking about, that it start going into seed. See, it start producing shoot. So you don't want it going into seed like that. You see, look at this. See, when you press it, it's no longer good inside. Look at that. See, the reason why it's going into seed, it's because it's now starting to be bad inside and all that. So this will put back there. It will become a seed. And that's why I said I need to get in there and harvest all of these sweet potatoes. Don't break them, please, as much as I can to avoid this, because I felt on the one that was as big as Mdeni's head that it was starting to go into seed, because it had been on the soil for far too long than it should. Anyway, this one is going to go back into the bucket and produce more sweet potatoes for us. Come on, let's go. Let's keep going. Let's keep going. Let's keep going, Put. Let's keep going. Rotting. See, that's why you don't want to leave your sweet potato for too long on the ground. To avoid this. Avoid this. It's rotting. It is rotting. Don't keep it too long on the ground. Okay. Take the lessons from me. This will go into the compost pile, or it will go even back there and nourish the soil.